Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Larissa. Today I came here to talk about SightCare. So if you're looking for vision improvement, stay with me, pay close attention. I have important things to share with you. SightCare will help improve your vision health in a healthier way, only natural ingredients. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more, stay with me, pay close attention. I promise I'm gonna be really short with this video. So let's start off telling you where you're gonna find SightCare to purchase. Keep in mind, this product, it's only sold in the official website. So guys, you may find in other marketplaces, but you cannot guarantee that whatever is inside its formula, it's what is being sold by the producer. Be careful, because this product may frustrate you because you don't get it. Maybe you get it and you don't get the results you're expecting, or you can harm your body if they created like a different ingredient, different product, and they are selling a SightCare. So be careful, okay? To help you out, here's the link under the description of my video. You just need to click there after this video and check it out for the other details that is not mentioned in this video. In there, you can guarantee that you can have the security if you need to return it, that the product, it's what is being said and listed, and this product has been tested and approved by FDA facility, has no stimulants, no habit forming. So don't worry, you won't have any side effects or any problems with those natural ingredients that I'm gonna share with you soon, okay? SightCare will also support brain health, will help increasing the antioxidants to do a really good cleanup in your body and maintain long-lasting good vision, okay? So what is SightCare? Like, what are those ingredients? I want to tell you some of the ingredients you're gonna find with SightCare. One of those natural ingredients you're gonna find in SightCare is the bilberry berry. It's not only good to improve the eye health, but also will help strong the bones, connective tissues, and skin, and also will help your eyes to prevent macular degeneration. The other ingredient that you're gonna find is the quercetin, that it's a potent antioxidant. As I mentioned before, the antioxidants will be really helpful to do a cleanup in your body, but also help the eye clarity by maintaining general eye health and protects yourself from radiations, chemicals, and poisons that can cause inflammation. Guys, check it out, the official website, for the other details about the ingredients. But all of them, they bring not only improvement to your eye health, but also your body in overall. The biggest difference among like SightCare and other treatments, and you don't need to do invasive or expensive treatments. This is a natural, easy, and efficient way to treat your vision health. And if I tell you how is the treatment, you won't believe. 2 capsules every day in the morning. Wake up, have your breakfast, get your full glass of water, and take your capsules. Don't forget, in order to see better and faster results. I see a lot of people complaining they don't see results when they know they are not doing their part. But don't forget that you are the most important person in this moment. You decided to make a change in your life. You're looking for improvement in your life. So if you did the first step, which is purchase, take it correct, do it seriously, okay? I'm pretty sure you're gonna get your results as well, and you're gonna be amazed. But the other thing I want to share is that you should never compare yourself. Don't try to compare like with time or the way each supplement or food or anything will work in your body, because we are unique. So whatever works for you is not necessarily gonna work in the same way to another person. So be patient with your body, with your routine. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get your results, okay? But I want to share something really good. They have 180 days money back guarantee. Guys, you have plenty of time to do your things, to go on your routine, on your pace. That you have plenty of time to try this product, see how it works with your body. And if you don't like, if you don't see results, no questions are asked. You can have your money back. It's pretty easy, and I'm pretty sure you won't need it, but this is important to share, especially because if you want to buy it, when I said in the beginning of this video that it's important to buy in the official website, it's only, that is under the description of my video, it's only in there that you can securely have your money back in case you don't like this product, okay? So guys, check it out for promos in their website. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below. I will help you as well. And I hope you have an amazing life after you started taking your SightCare. All your ear problems are gone. Your mental health, your digestion, your body in general will be super happy with the results. So guys, That's it. I'm leaving now. Bye.